SimpliFYI is a web app for easily communicating with groups of people by text message and email. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up an account and start sending and receiving messages. Start by opening a web browser and going to SimpliFYI.net. Note that SimpliFYI ends with FYI, as in for your information. Type in your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, send an email to information@simplifyi.net and we'll create an account for you right away. After logging in, the first thing you see is your contact list. Let's add ourselves to this list so we can see how this works. Type in your first and last name and either a cell phone or an email address or both. The only thing that is required here is either a cell phone number or an email address. Click Add. Now go down to the message body box. Type in some test message. Now select yourself in the contact list and click Send to Selected. If you have a cell phone number entered, you will get the message as a text message. If you have an email address entered, you will get the message as an email. If you have both entered, you will get both. Okay, let's now see what we can do when we have more contacts in the list. I am going to select my line in the contact list and edit it down here so that it has only a cell phone number. And I'm going to type cell as a category for this contact. Then I click Save. Now I'll add another contact with just my email. I'll put email in the category and click Add. I'll also add two more contacts, one with just a cell phone number and one with just an email address. Now I am going to send a message to everyone in my list, both cell phone numbers and emails, by typing the message here and clicking Send to Everyone. Or I can send a message to only the cell phone numbers by selecting Cell in the Categories drop-down list and clicking Send to Category. Now, my contacts might belong to more than one category. For example, suppose that I am using SimpliFYI for communicating within a school. Maybe my first contact is a part of the faculty and my second contact is a part of the staff. I can have more than one category for each contact by putting a comma between each category. Now, suppose I want to send a message only to the cell phones of the faculty. I can select Cell Faculty from the drop-down list, or I could type it in myself, and click Send to Category. Only the contacts tagged as both cell and faculty will get the message. Next, let's see what happens when someone replies to a message that I have sent. I will type a reply on my cell phone and send it. The computer makes a pling noise, and the reply appears here below in the replies box. The message is in red letters, indicating that it is a new message that I haven't addressed yet. The message line shows the name of the person who sent the reply, the date and time the reply came in, and the list of categories that that contact belongs to. When I click on the message, the content of their message and the message that they were replying to appear in these boxes here. I could reply back again by putting a new message in Your Message and clicking Send Your Message to Selected. When I reply to a message, the letters now appear in black, indicating that the message isn't new anymore. That's all there is for the basics of SimpliFYI. In the next videos, we'll look at some of the other features of SimpliFYI.